So today we are going to see the Leetcode questions. So this is Expert Founder and you are watching on YouTube. So let's continue today to understand Leetcode question 946. So today the question we have is 946 to validate the stack sequences, right? And we have given two integer arrays, right? In which we have given a push and pop each with the distinct values, and we have to return if this could have been the result of a sequence of push and pop operations on an initially empty stack, or you can say the or the false otherwise, right? Okay, so give me 1 second. Okay, so question we have is 946. We have to validate the stack sequences, right? We have given a sequence of a stack, right, in which we have actually two arrays, push and pop, right? And with the distinct values we have in both push and pop, right? Means values are unique in the array element, right? And we have to return true, right, if the result of the sequence while we doing pushing and popping, right, both operation we are doing on the initially empty stack, we will take an initially empty stack and will perform this pushing and pop operations, right? And if these elements are actually you can say validated, right, means we have to return true or false. So this is push and this is popped array, right? So what we will do, we will return true once this stack sequence is valid, right? So what we will do, see, we have given this push, right, array, and what we will do, we'll take all these element, right, into this stack. So let's consider we are going to take one stack like this, right? So this is our stack, and what we will do, one by the given elements, right, we will put onto this stack. So the stack is what the first in last out. So the first element will push into the stack, that will come into the that will be get out from your pop operations in the last, right? So either you can say first in last out, philo or LIFO, LIFO, last in first out. So the last element we have entered here is 5, right? And if we will remove you can say while pushing, these are the entries 1 2 3 4 5, and if you will do the pop, right, so what will come first will come the last in first out. So we'll start with the 5 4 3 2 1 into this new popped element, right? So if you will perform the operations, right, so it first will come 5, then it will come 4, right, then it will come 3, then it will come 2, and then it will come 1, right? Like this. This is the way, means pushed element and pop element will should come like this, right? But our scenario we have given the push and pop, right, means while doing you can say push or pop, like this we have pop, right? So if we are performing the first operation push, right, into this push first we will push into the arrays, then second, then third, in the stack, and fourth. While one we will push 1 2 3 4. Now after the 4, what we will do, we'll pop one element that is from the stack. So what will pop out first, we have last we have entered 4, so we'll remove 4 from the this one. So that is correct. For the pop element will come into the first array in the pop array. So pop 4 will be the first element of the pop, right? And now what we will do, we'll push a new element that is 5, right? So what we will do after performing the push, what we will do, we'll pop. So the pop second element will be the 5, right, after the popped, right? So as you can see in the array also we have 5, right, in the post array. And similarly we are not going to push anything else, so we will do push pop, so we'll get 4 5 3 2 and 1, right, like this. So this is our push element we have in the array, right, as we have, you can see. So that's why both are correct. Push and pop operations we have given that this is the distinct values, these are correct, and we have validated the stack sequences, and we can say this sequence is the given sequence into the push and popped is validated, right, and it's correct as per the operations, right, and we can say that this is true, right? Now what we'll think about, right, these 4. Let's understand why we are talking about these 4, right? Because see, before pushing 5, what we have done, we have removed the 4, right? And that's why this different sequence is coming, right? So the first I have talked about, right, that is should be the general operation. Like first we will push everything, and then we will remove then we will pop every element that will come. But now it is okay, so we are getting true. Now let's consider another example that we have in the example 2. We have 1 2 3 4 5, and another we have popped element. So this element is like this, right? And if we'll do the if we'll consider pushing this element, so first we have push 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, right? And then we'll do 5, right? So what will happen? So first element we will remove, pop is 4, as you can see in the pop element, right? So we have removed 4. After removing 4, we can remove what? 3, because 5 we have not pushed, right? So what we will get? We will get what? 3 after pushing this. If we will push 5, we will return. Then we can return 5, right? But if we are not pushing, then we return 3. So 4 and 3 is correct. Okay. Now after pushing 3, we will push popping 3, we will push 5, right? And then we will get pop the element. So we'll 4 3 and then 5 will get pop, right? Sorry. So 5 will get pop, 4 3, and then we will get what? After doing the pop, we will get what? 5. This 5 will get pop, right? So if we will push 5 and then we will try to do pop, so this is not correct, right? This is 3 will not come. What will come? 5 will come. But if 5 not push, then 3 is okay, right? Then we cannot push 5. You got it? So after the 4 element we have 1 2 3 4 we have. So after doing pop, we will get 4 3, right? And after getting pop the 3 element, we can push 5, and if we'll do pop again, we'll get what? 5. So 1 2 is remaining there, right? So if we'll do next pop, right, what we will get? We'll get 5, and then we'll get 2, and then we'll get 1. But you can see we have what we have given. Let me explain again. So initially what happened here? Consider again. Okay, first we are going to push 1 into the stack, then we are going to put 2, then we are going to put 3, and then 4, and then we will push 5, right? Like this we will push into the stack. Okay, what? 1 2 3 4 and 5 means we are going to push 5 element into the stack. Okay, and so what we can say, we have 1 2 3 4 5 element we have onto the stack, right? So we have pushed 5 element, correct? Now what will happen after pushing this element, right? If we will remove consecutively, first we have 5, then we have 4, then we have 3, then we have 2, right? Like this we will get into the pop array. Okay, but if we have not if you have not pushed 5, right, we have pushed all the element, and you can see here if we'll remove 4 3 and then 5, right, like this, give once again. So let's suppose 5 we have not entered, right? 5 we have not pushed. Okay, and what we have? 4 3 2 1 we have in stack. If we'll do the pop, first what element will come? First we will get 4, correct? And if we'll remove, then we'll get 3. If we'll remove again from the stack, what we'll get? Let's suppose now we are not pushing, actually, as per the example we are doing what? We have the stack 5 2 1, right, in the stack. So now if we'll do the pop, what we will get? Because we have pushed 5, right? So on the top, now we will get 5. Now if we'll do pop, we cannot get 1, we will get 2, and that's why this statement is not correct, right? Means this push is correct, but pop is not correct, right? It should be 4 3 5 2 1. This will work, right? And so 1 cannot be popped before 2, and that's why this statement is get validated and saying this is not true. Let's understand constant, right? So we have constant, that is push.length is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 1000. Now we are going to push is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1000. All elements are unique, and length of push and pop is equal, and all the pop is permutation of this one. Okay, Now understand, this question has been asked in Amazon, Google, Adobe, Facebook, and all top companies like Apple has asked this question. So this question is very important and popular into the interview room. Now understand the implementation part, in which we have given what? We have given push and pop into as a parameter, right? We have given input as a push and pop array element, right? And all the elements into the push and pop is unique. Okay. Now what we have to understand here is if we have given the push element, right, we can get our push dot length will do, and what we will get, we will get n. N is nothing but our number of elements into the you can say stack push, right? Because we are doing push, right? We will going to push into the stack. So what we will do next, line number 4, we will take you can say stack. That is called we'll take a stack of integers, right? Because all the elements we have in the push is integer, so we'll take a stack as an integer. Okay, so this input push and pop we have, right? So what we will do, first of all, we will get our n, that is our number of element. This is our stack. Now this stack will take integers. Now we'll move over the what we can say into the each element of the array, right? And we'll get at a time one element x. We'll push the element into the stack. Now we'll check if a stack is not empty and j is not at the last element, and then what we will do, we'll do a stack dot pick. We'll take the pick stack top element, and if the top element is at the pop of j, means we are at the correct position, right? Then what we will do, we'll do pop, means this is the pop element is equal to the peak element. If both are equal, then we will do what? We will do stack dot pop, right? Means the stack top element and the pop element both are same, right? In that case only we will do pop, and then we will increment j plus plus for the next element of the you can say of the stack, right? To do the same operation. If we are reaching at the last position j equal to n, it means what? We are reaching to the last element, and if this element, if we are performing this thing, right, and we are reaching at the last element of the index of the element, right, it means we are validating, we have validated the stack sequences, right? And the push and pop that we have given the elements are in the correct order, or we can say we have reached all the element from 0 to n, and we have popped all the element, and it's correct, so we will return true as at this one, right? So if we'll talk about the total element, so in the stack we have total element, right, 0 to n, right? So let's suppose we have element 1 1 2 2 like this, right? List of 4 3 2 1. So 4 is the top element, let's suppose, right? So if we are in the pop element, if 4 is the top, right? If 4 is the top, 4 is the element, and peak element is also like this, right? It means a stack peak element and pop element both are equal, right? In that case, what we will do, we will remove actually. Okay, so this thing we are doing actually here into this. If this is if any new element is coming, then they are pushing. So total element we are pushing is n into the stack, right? And we are doing pop operations also. So time complexity will be O of n, and we are pushing all n element. So space complexity is also n. So time complexity, and this is space complexity, right? So both are O of n. Okay, because this is the thing we have. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and like this video, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.